Alright, so here we have two carrier comforts. Pumps right here. This one has an LG scroll. This one's a 3-blade. And it's a broad ocean fan motor. It's 2020 and it's a 4-ton. Has not that car has been running. Maybe. Here's this other one. Also an LG scroll. And a broad ocean fan motor. 2020, 4-ton. Oh no, it hasn't been running. Anyways. So yeah. 2020. Let me double check if this one's. Yep. 2020 4-ton Carrier Comfort Series heat pumps. Alright, so yeah, anyways, thank you for watching, and over and out.